Congratulations, you made it. You are one of the lucky few who have the chance to watch this short video before I decide to take it down. You have been sent here by a mutual friend who believed you'd be a good match via a special link only a limited number of people will ever get to see. I kept this low key because my time is limited and I only want to work with a close group of people. I don't have enough time to help everybody, so I'll warn you now, do not exit this page. You might not be able to see this again. What you're about to discover is extremely shocking and highly lucrative. Something new you've never seen or heard before. Would you like the power to supplement your income by up to 30 grand a month in just 30 minutes a day? Well, earning that kind of money isn't only possible, it's easy to do if you know how. And you can do it from home, at the local coffee house, or anywhere else you can get online.